Okay, squaring a number ends up with 5. How to get 5 squared, 15 squared, 25 squared, or 35 squared? With no steps, we're gonna do it. How? For example, 15 squared times 15 squared, or 15 squared power 2. Any two digits number by each other, its result will be either 4 digits or 3 digits. So put a place for 4 digits or 3 digits. Then in the beginning, square 5, which is 25 of course, and put it in the ones and tens digit. Last, what's in the tens digit here? Number 1. Okay, what's after 1? 2. Just multiply 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 2. That's it. Okay, let's try the next example. Square 5, so it's gonna be 25. 2, what's after 2? 3. Multiply 2 times 3, 6. This is the answer. For the last one, 5 squared, 25. What's after 3? 4. 3 times 4, which is 12.